Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a meaningful service project abroad with Global Vision International. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by identifying your passion and the cause you want to support. Research Global Vision International, or GVI, to understand their mission and project offerings. Visit the GVI website to explore different service projects available in various countries. Choose a project that aligns with your interests and goals. Review the project details, including duration, location, and activities involved. Consider the skills you can contribute and any additional training you may need. Complete the application form provided on the GVI website. Prepare your resume and any required documents for submission. Once your application is reviewed, you will receive a confirmation or request for more information. If accepted, review the pre-departure information provided by GVI. Arrange your travel logistics, including flights and accommodations. Ensure you have the necessary vaccinations and medications for your destination. Obtain a travel insurance policy that meets GVI's requirements. Join any pre-departure webinars or orientation sessions offered by GVI. Connect with other participants through GVI's platforms or social media. Pack appropriately for your destination, considering local culture and weather. Arrive at your destination and attend the orientation session led by GVI staff. Get familiar with the local community and understand the project's objectives. Engage fully in the service activities and build relationships with local partners. Document your experiences through photos, journal entries, or videos. Participate in team meetings to discuss progress and share insights. Reflect on your impact and the skills you have developed throughout the project. Upon completion, consider how you can continue supporting the cause back home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.